Welcome back to Studio Fundamentals. This is Fixing Tempo Drift. So sometimes when you create a song with Suno, particularly a song in the style of an older genre like 80s disco or old 60s jazz, you end up with some tempo drift. The tempo is not consistent over time, just like live music, which characteristically drifts around a little bit in speed. So here we have an old jazz track. And if you watch closely at the bottom of the screen here, you can see that the tempo will change a little bit as I play the track. So you can see that it's changing, bouncing around between 120, 122, 118. And this can feel great when you're listening, but if you're trying to export these stems to another digital audio workstation, this can be really frustrating. Here's what we're gonna do. The first step is to flip this to Manual BPM, where I'm gonna decide that actually, let's just keep this whole project at 119 BPM. So now if I play the track, you'll see that it doesn't waver, and you'll hear that it still sounds pretty darn good. Great, now I could export it just like this at a consistent tempo, or if I want to play with the stems, I can split out the stems. So I'm gonna double click on the track, come over here. It looks like I've already extracted these. If you don't see these stems here, you might have to click the Extract Stems button. I'm gonna go ahead and click Insert All to pull these onto the timeline. Studio has already done its job. It's analyzed the downbeats for all of these, and it's made sure that they're all now locked to a 119 BPM grid. So the final step here is just to go up to the upper right, click this Export button, and select Multitrack. We're now gonna let this spin for a second as it renders out each track individually at the correct tempo, and we should be prompted in a moment to save a zip file containing waves of all of these tracks. So that process can take up to 2 minutes as Studio does its job, but I've just gotten the download, so I can come here, I'll see the multitrack in my downloads, and if I double click, it'll unzip it into a file on my computer where I can see all of the stems. Thanks for watching. Now you can all stop emailing me that your stems are drifting off tempo. And if you have any further questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below, and I or another team member will make sure to get those answered. And I'll see you in the next one.